What's up YouTube, Josh Batten here. Just like to apologize real quick about the beginning of this video. We had no audio, so I had to do a voiceover. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. Alright, like I said, I'll be doing a voiceover for this first part. Today we'll be installing a Mishimoto Oil Cooler on my 2004 WRX STI. As you see in the video, we run into some issues, have to do some cutting, but it's nothing too bad. We get through it, but let's get started. So here we have the braided oil lines. Everything in the box was very well packaged, so shout out to Mishimoto for that. Kept everything really safe. And then we have, these are the mounting brackets, which I think are really nice. I like them a lot. Nice little Mishimoto emblem on there. And then in this last box is going to be the actual oil cooler itself, which, like I said, was very well packaged, had really nice foam. Mishimoto did a really good job on this. This is just some little pamphlet. I don't even remember what's in it. Nothing important, I'm assuming. So this is the actual oil cooler. It was actually a lot bigger than I was thinking it was gonna be, which of course I was happy about. And then this is just the sandwich plate to attach the oil lines to. And then just some hardware. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Alright, so we got all of our stuff assembled here loosely so that our fittings can still like swivel and stuff. It says they're supposed to take the bumper off, but I'm lazy, so we're gonna try and do it without taking the bumper off because that sounds like a pain in the ass. We already got the under tray taken off and we're draining the oil right now. Yeah, so let's see if we can get this shiz in. Oh, that probably just scratched the car. All right. So, the oil cooler is going to mount to these two holes here, with these two bolts here. And then, we're going to try, if you can see, kind of where the fittings are right now, at the bottom corner of the radiator. They're going to go between the radiator and like the frame underneath the AC condenser. It's going to be a tight fit, but I think we'll make it work. Can you see it?
I'm touching it.
Oh, shiz. Okay. Let me see here. Where are we at?
You got it.
Oh, there it is. I'll just feed it through.
Yeah.
Carefully. Is that about as much slack as I have right now?
Yeah.
Now we'll try and get the other one in. Oh. There's not much room in there.
There's not.
Oh, dude. Screw it. I'm taking it off of this. I wonder if it'd be easier to bring
Feed it up through the
this
bottom.
side fed up through, yeah, the bottom.
Let's try it.
I'm gonna try it. Okay.
The camera right. Oh boy. Hold on. Oh, there's not a lot of room. Give it a little push. Okay, hold on. A little push.
I'm giving it a push.
It's getting stuck on the condenser.
Twist.
Hey, do you want to know?
I wonder if like I try and bring it underneath the other one, maybe there'll be more room.
Oh, I could totally make more room. Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Owie. Owie. Whoosh. A little more.
Hold up, hold up.
It's probably good though.
I mean, I need slack down here too. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. I'm gonna catch it on. Come on. There we go. So when you're assembling your oil cooler, in retrospect to like where they go in, or if you're facing the car, you want your 90-degree elbow to be on the far side, away from where they go in, or on the right side. And then you want your one that's straight to be on the left side or passenger side. And then the one that has a 90-degree elbow should have a 90-degree elbow on both sides, and this one will have a 90-degree elbow just on the bottom. We might have to set that up on the chair.
Yeah.
And then I'll get underneath and pull them through as you feed them through.
Sounds good.
Good enough. Let me undo this fan connection real quick.
Plug.
Yeah, because we're like on top of it.
Sounds good.
There we go. Don't forget to hook that back up. Alright, go ahead and feed them through whenever you're ready. I don't like the sounds that makes.
No, I don't. A little more. Hold up, hold up. Okay.
Alright, so a little progress update. My camera guy had to leave. Austin had work or something. And it's not exactly easy to record and work on the car at the same time, so I haven't really been doing a lot of that. But as you can see, we got the oil cooler on, and we were not able to do it with and leave the bumper on. So we had to take the bumper off, we had to take the crash bar off. We had to do a little bit of cutting in here, as you can tell, kind of right there, cutting this, whatever you want to call the support bracket, which makes this really kind of wobbly. Not crazy about that. I might have to do hood pins instead of the stock hood latch, but that's okay. And then we had to cut and bend a little piece in here. I know I bought the right piece for the right car. I guess this is just something you have to do. So they're gonna come out right here. They're coming from in between the radiator and the frame of the car. And then our sandwich plate is gonna go, of course, between the OEM oil cooler and the oil filter. So I've got oil change stuff. We're gonna pull this oil filter off, put the sandwich plate on, and then these lines are gonna kind of wrap around. Gonna kind of go around the heat shield there. I'm gonna hook in about there like that. I'll get that done and we'll do another update in a second. So another thing that we'll be installing that I forgot to mention is this FactionFab magnetic oil drain plug. I bought a Mishimoto one that had a magnet that was like probably like 3/4 of an inch long, and it bottomed out on the inside of the oil drain pan before it was actually able to get fully tightened down. There was like still a few threads left that weren't tightened down, so I wasn't able to use that one. But this one seems really well made. I'd never heard of this company before, but it was one of the few options that I had that had the shorter magnet. And I mean, this magnet seems really strong, so hopefully it'll work pretty good. I think it will. FactionFab seems like they make a good product. Alright, so we're about to wrap things up here. Got the crash bar back on. Got everything hooked up under here. So you've got your nut that connects your sandwich plate under here, and it is tightened down to 35 foot-pounds with a torque wrench. That's what the Mishimoto video told me to do, so that's what I did. And then I didn't get a torque for these and these, so I just kind of snugged them up. And I think that'll do. These are run around, and I think they'll be safe. I'm probably gonna get some heat shielding for them so that they don't get burnt up by the heat shield for the headers here. But yeah, that's basically about it. Got the oil filter back on. We just need to fill her up with oil. Fill her up with oil. Ugh. Get the bumper back on. Then we'll be good.